Rockstar lifestyle when I'm born make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, always knew that she was faking. MG on the BG, oh, wait till I'm the greater.
What is up, Go fam? So right now I'm about to go get my dream dirt bike, a YZ450F. Last year around this time, I bought the CRF. I really wanted a YZ, but at the time, literally no dealership had them. So I got the CRF. I was liking the CRF. Even in the video, the CRF versus the YZ450F. I liked it. Well, I said the CRF had more power. But at the time, I definitely liked the CRF more. But then, nah. So today, I'm about to go finally pick up a YZ450F 2023, not Monster Edition, the regular Joan. Because one, they taxing on the Monster Joan when it's just a sticker kit. So that is runts. I'm going to just get the regular Joan. And that's the only thing they got in stock right now. But yeah, right now, I'm about to go pick it up. I'm hype as ever. Right for we hype? Yeah. So I sold the CRF to my guy Lil. So it's still going to be around, but he fell first 2 seconds. I wish I had that shit on video. But like I said, right now, I'm about to go pick that Joan up. Sheesh, I'm too hyped. Let's go now. Yes, sir. Now I'm just waiting for it to come back from the, I guess like the mechanic Joan type Joan, to make sure that Joan right. Hopefully it ain't no hoagie and all that. I'm hyped as this though.
It's like, I want you to put it on camera that I'm saying this, all right? Go through a couple heat.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do it how I did, yeah.
All right.
Sheesh, I had to wait 2 years for the battery charge, but she ready.
Yeah, but you know the deal. Change gonna stretch it.
Exactly.
So she just fired up a few seconds ago for the first time. She's alive now, so.
He said, don't beat this thing at all. I'm cool though. I ain't.
Go to your house in a couple days.
I'm not
beating
beating
that
on
tires
that.
just as fresh as it is right now.
Nah, I'm gonna definitely do some skidding before I'm even wheeling. I'm gonna wheelie it, but I'm not gonna. Oh.
But again, like I said, that engine oil's got to go through
yeah.
the cycle and everything like that. Not for nothing.
Finally.
You your oil change a little sooner rather than
yeah.
two on this.
God damn, baby. Sheesh. Big 450 Yeti. I never strapped the bike this way. Yes, sir. Big 450. Woo. I was about to fall off the thing. Big 450 YZ, you hear me? I ain't gonna lie, it even started yet. I was waiting to put it on the video to start it. Bro, I'm too hyped right now. See how this thing sounds. This thing is quiet. Ain't nothing like the CRF. Sheesh. Well, it's brand new still, so gotta break it in. And I'll probably have some noise to it. Sheesh. Hear that whine? We got nitrous in this thing? Sheesh. That's the worst thing about a brand new bike though, them tires. Unreal, bro. I'm hyped as flip. I finally got a YZ. Last year, like I said, when I wanted to go get the 450, they had no YZs in stock anywhere. So I just got the CRF. Bad decision. Lost a lot of money, but it's cool. Now I got a YZ. Still lost a lot of money. But hey, you live, you learn. God got his plan, so I got a 450 now. Whoa. I got a YZ450 now, so I can't be mad now. I ain't mad at all though. I might flip, even though I lost some money, but I'm still hyped. You know the vibes. Big feelings. Go get the mask right now, link in the description. Always before you ride, safety first. It's about to be my first ride on this puck. Click my helmet up and all that. Can't forget gloves too. Yo, I'm hype as shit. This is crazy. Yeah. First ride on this puck. Second start. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta break the tires in. Well, I gotta break the whole bike in. But the tires, that's the main concern, because new tires is terrible. Yes, sir though, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, this joint definitely sit way higher and way weird from the 21, 22s, from older years. Even sit way different than the CRF. This joint feel tall. This feel like down a little bit. I don't know, I gotta get used to it. But I'm hyped. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I finally got. Let me ride it around a little bit, try to break it in. I'm hyped. I don't even know what to say. I'm hyped, that's all. Let me go break it in a little bit though. Ride it for 20 minutes, let it sit for a little bit, let it get cold, ride it for 20 minutes, let it sit. He said just keep doing that. So that's what I'm finna do. I'm gonna start the video back up when the side pull up. Yeah. Hold on, I didn't even get a wheelie yet. I'm tripping. How can I not wheelie? All right, I was sitting here letting it run for a little minute. It just started overheating already. I don't know if that's a good sign. I hope that's cool, but I'm gonna go over it a little bit of I think what they changed. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't have a YZ450. I had a CRF 450 before this, so I'm not 100% sure, but all this looked different to me. Way skinnier up here. The bar pad they changed. I don't know why they did that, but it's way skinny up here. Look like different bars, probably not. How do you even put gas in this? It's just weird. Like, do you have to unlock it? Ew, that's poop. You gotta unlock it, and they only give me one joint. Or it's supposed to have one, maybe. But that's poop. Look, say if it don't go back. Unreal. Oh yeah, that's poop. Look. What? Hey, yo. Nah. Bro, I don't even know how to put that back on there. Hold on, let me figure this out. You're gonna be at the gas station fighting with this when they get on. What the flip? There we go. That's poop though. What the flip? What? Look at this thing. I'm still waiting for side to pull up. I'm getting some videos on the GoPro. I didn't even barely ride it still, just except for the videos you saw. But I'm about to get some GoPro POV, riding it back and forth a little bit, trying to do little pop-up wheelies. Like I said, I ain't wheeling it all crazy right now. So if you're looking for wheelies in these videos, it's not gonna be too much. Well, it's gonna be wheelies, but little worm joints, nothing too crazy right now. One, I gotta break the bike in. Two, I gotta break the tire in. Look at this beauty though. God damn, baby. Sheesh. Youngin' side bang is pulled up on the 23 YZ450F with the guys on the green pups. Yes, whoa. Oh. I don't want my joint like that. Please don't do this to me, please. Can we see some work though? POV of it. Oh, Nash. Okay. I'll let the guys go. Long live the guys, though. I said that wrong as ever. Real rap. Okay, Si. Little heat cycles, so I'm gonna let this on sit for a minute. Put it on the stand. There! There you go, YZ450F. They scared to race the 85 side? They don't know how to ride for real? He tripping. Yeah, they tripping. They cooked you. You don't like. Nah, you said what? Nah, he a word. He stalled out. You stalled out. It's all I turned it off. Go! Ah! Oh shit! Damn! This beauty ain't doing no racing, you hear me? At all, nowhere. Especially with this. But they definitely put oil or something on the tires. Make them joints slippery. That take Dusty. First ride on it today. Loving this John. Well, this title is gonna be I got my dream bike. Probably something like that. I don't even know what the title gonna be. But the GoPro gonna be first ride on my 2023 YZ450F. Shit, bro, I'm too hyped, bro. I'm still hyped. It's been hours and I'm still hyped. Tires still brand new, but it's feeling a little better, not sliding too much on the back. I gotta go on YouTube and look up how to mess with the modes and all that. Cause I think it should be just like the CRF, 3 different modes, but the CRF, it was right on the handlebar. You ain't have to mess with no app. But yeah, I'm loving this John. I appreciate everyone watching this video. For all y'all, help me get this John. Yeah, just keep watching the videos. Please leave a like, a comment if you can. It don't cost none. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. You know the vibes. Finally got my dream bike, 2023 YZ450F. You know the vibes. We out. I'm still hyped, but we out.